Paano tumayong mag-isa nang hindi nagiging mapait? Hi guys! Welcome back to a Real Talk Hustle for today. Let's talk about standing alone. Hindi lahat ng pag-iisa ay abandonment. Minsan, consequence lang talaga siya ng clarity mo. Kapag malinaw ka na, unti-unting kumakaunti ang kasabay. And that hurts. But bitterness comes when you take distance personally. When you assume na may mali sa'yo dahil hindi ka sinundan. Truth is, not everyone is meant to walk your path. Standing alone isn't punishment. Let's be clear on that. It's preparation. 3 practical moves sa point na ito. Number 1, separate solitude from rejection. Ihiwalay ang pag-iisa sa ideyang hindi kasapat o pinili. Number 2, process grief honestly. Payagan ang sarili na malungkot sa mga nawala nang hindi nagagalit. And number 3, keep your heart open. Piliing manatiling mabuti kahit may dahilan kang tumigas. Tandaan mo to, hindi ka nag-iisa dahil mahirap kang mahalin. Nasa yugto ka lang na hindi pa lahat handang sumabay. Manatiling buo, darating ang kapantay mo. I'm Catherine Yucor and you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.